All right. So, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. Welcome to the live stream. Today is just like 4th of March 2026. So, sound check 1, 2, 3. Can you guys hear me clearly? All good. Hey guys, hey, walaikum salam, salam, walaikum salam. Is there impulse entry on 30-minute time frame? Oh, where, really? Oh, yeah, it's just like an impulse entry on a 30-minute time frame. It makes sense, but on a 50-minute time frame, should have to be break above this high. But it just like totally makes sense actually on a 30-minute time frame. H1 just like close like this, M30, yeah, just like need to look at quickly sneak peek on the daily time frame. Let me just like remove these all things first. Okay, we're just like having this daily just like have a support continuously pushing to the upside right now. H4 just like close above the previous H4 high. This kind of created a wick continuously pushing to the upside, and H1 just like created a support here. And looking at M30, 30 just like having this support. Now just like pushing upside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kind of just like consecutively close in a bullish form. This can just like close with a small body. If it just like drop the volume, then there is no business of this current candle to break above the previous candle high. If it's just like gonna break above this candle high, there's a probability first it's just like gonna fail this wick, and if it's like a lot of volume, it could keep pushing upside. So for that, we just like need to wait actually, you know what? So here you can see, wow, look at this one. We're just like having a support here right now on a 50-minute time frame. We are having just like a someone just like telling me I was just like continuously speaking just like in every sentence. So I will try to avoid it. Okay, so this is the support I'm having, and this is the resistance. So can I execute within from within this range where this 15-minute candle just like closed above the previous candle high, and 30-minute just like close with small body. If next candle break above this previous candle high, probability that it will continuously pushing upside. So let's wait and see. Just like give me 1 minute. Okay, so I can't see volume here actually. So you're looking at YouTube. Assalamu alaikum salam. How are you, sir? Good, perfect. So buys on gold is possible. Makes sense if this kind of going to break above this high. Took the trade on 50-minute time frame when it started breaking the previous high. I went $50 in my favor. As soon as I was about to close, came down to $19. Could made 80 to $90, then 127. Okay. So why you just like did not secure some position there? Have you taken any trade today? Yeah, I just like took almost like three trades. You know what? I was just like fighting during the actually during the Asian session. On Asian session, I was just like try to take a trades. Let me see. Okay, one trade I just like took here when these can just like continuously rejecting from the rejection on the left hand side. Then this can just like shows very strong bearish candle in it. Next candle create a wick, break below this low. I executed a sell expecting it will continuously pushing downside. It just like didn't worked out, rotates more than 50% of the previous candle. I just like close the position, then it's just like break above the high, then again come back and break its own low again. Then I just like give my trade a second chance. Again it just like went up, and again I just like closed my trade there. So took these two losses here. Then during the live stream with the Raja Bank, just like took a sell here, grab some opportunity. Yeah, here I just like then close the chart actually. Took two trades back to back close and just like close the chart. Then with the next session, I just recover like more than 50% of my loss by executing a sell here. It just like went almost like more than 100 pips in my favor, expecting that it will continuously pushing down, sir, but it start rejecting, and I just like lose it actually. So grab like 72, 73 pips. So yeah, we'll see if I'm just like gonna take one more trade or not. So right now, just like waiting. And if there's like a volume, then why this candle just like stopped here? It should be create a wick, break above the high, and keep pushing upside. This is what I just like wanted to see. If I wanna go as an impulse entry, I need volume there. Volume always work as a weapon. Actually, you know what? Volume always work as a weapon. Yes, let's go. Same, and I was also just fighting from Asian session. Bad day for me. Oh, bad day for you, but not for me. Just lose like $50. We'll see if I can recover it or can make some more. So just like waiting. Okay, all good. Okay, yes. Will be good if it makes a deeper lower wick. Mm, it's just like created a wick. No need like a deeper wick actually here. There's like 5 minutes left for this candle to be closed actually. This 50-minute candle just like going to be closed. But still, if this candle going to break above this high, I'm going to be get like a 60 pip stop loss, and target could be like 80, 90 pips. So it makes sense. We are just like sitting like with the pre NY and breaking above this high makes sense. Wow, wow. It's just like jumping right now, showing a volatility in it. I think it's better to trade after news. I don't think so. It's just like far away from now. It's after like 2 hours. So no need to worry about. I'm just like gonna take buy if it's just like going to break above this high. Interesting. After that, we're just like going to tap this psychological number of 5200. Waiting, just like waiting. It's a waiting game right now. I just like need to give one resistance here to remind me that if market start rejecting from this area, so I just like need to manage the risk. But I can't see volume actually. It should not be take this much time. Just break above the high and keep pushing upside. Yeah. And if I kind of just like going to be break lows below this support, this is a clean traffic we are having to the downside as well. Looking at H4 just like showing strong bullish momentum in it. This M530, okay, just like break above the high, come a little down. Okay, here I go. I executed a buy here. Stop loss below current candle low. Oh, it was just like getting me out from this trade. So it's an impulse entry in trend. It's a sign of the volume that it break above this high. Now the candle should be keep pushing upside. It should be keep pushing upside. This is what I'm expecting from it actually. And in the same way, if it just like went in my favor like 25, 30 pips and come back to my break even, I need to secure some position actually. But I'm gonna lose here. Yeah, it's just like 1 1 something like that. So depending on the volume, it should keep pushing upside. Impulse entry totally connected with the volume. If there's like less volume, if there's like no volume, then this is not gonna work out. Simple. Impulse entry always work with the volume. I just like executed within the range here actually, by depending on the volume that it will keep pushing upside. This is something I'm expecting from it. So just like waiting right now. So 2 minutes left for the 50-minute candle to be closed. Wow. Come on, where is the volume? Anyone in this live who trade London and NY? We just like sitting right now during the NY actually. What's the issue? Okay, come on. You can do this. Keep pushing upside. Just keep pushing upside. Show me some volume in yourself. Wow, pushing. Just like pushing upside. 15 pips in my favor. 15 minutes just like about to be closed in 15 seconds. If it's going to be closed somehow like this, there's a higher probability next can create a wick and will keep pushing upside. It is also a pullback trade in 50-minute, right? Pullback trade? No, it's just like nothing like that. We're just like going with the trend actually only. It's an impulse entry in trend because this can just like close with a small body. If this can just like close with a small body, there is no business of this current candle to break above the high of the small body candle. If it's just like breaking above the high of the previous small body candle, it's mean there is a volume. So by depending on the volume impulse entry in trend, there's a probability it should continuously pushing upside. If it never worked out, it's mean there's like less volume. So we just like work with the probability. That's it. Now 50-minute also just like close in my favor. This candle should be create a wick, break above the high and keep pushing upside. This is something I'm expecting from it. This previous 50-minute candle also just like showing some kind of a strong bullish momentum in it as well. So all I need is to continuously pushing upside. Let's see. Wow, look at this 5 minute even. So you know what? How I can close my 50% position in this situation? Once market just like went in my favor, like 15 pips, 15 pips went in my favor, like 15, 16 pips. If this current candle break below this previous 5 minute candle low, I will close like 50% position there. How can I see your trading stats? Just write down message once only, okay? You know what? I don't know why, but it's just like not showing me smooth volume in it. But it's a part of my structure, so I wanted to be a part of this. Come on. Where is the volume actually? Impulse entry in trend, and it's been like 20 minutes almost like nearby past, and it just like still standing here. Till right now, you know what? Till right now, it should be keep pushing upside. It should be. Now, if it's just like going to break up of its own high, come back to entry, I'm gonna close 50% position there. I don't like the way it's just like behaving right now. Yes, I don't like the way it's just like behaving. If there's like a volume, why it is behaving like that? It should not be behave like that. So here it's just like coming down, breaking the previous 5 minute low. Oh, where this to go? I'm just like gonna close my 50% position here. I'm closing my 50% position here actually. Should not be wrecked like that. And here is just like it retrace more than 50% of the previous candle as well. See this one? It just like retrace more than 50% of the previous candle. If there's like a volume 30 minutes, just like created a impulse entry structure here, then this candle should not be react like that. It should be keep pushing upside if there's like a volume. If there's like a lack of volume, then it will kind of gonna react like this. So I'm just like manage the risk as this candle retrace more than 50% of the previous candle, and the 55-minute candle break the previous 5-minute low. It's just like continuously making uncomfortable me. You know what? It's just like continuously making me uncomfortable right now because it's just like taking time. Because when I'm just like execute on a trade, I need price to go sap in my favor. So lately London is very boring, and I'm thinking maybe I should go to NY to trade, but I'm not sure because Raj advice is to follow and trade only one session. Yeah, just like you just like need to stick with only one session, whatever suits your life schedule actually. If like NY suits your life schedule, you can go with that too. So I close my 50% position here, just like manage the risk. And why I just like manage the risk, because it should not be react like that. That's why I just like manage the risk. I don't like the way it just like moving, and we'll leave the rest with my stop loss actually. So this is the most important thing, that how I can lose less. If I can lose less, then there's a probability I can make much money. If I can't lose less, then I cannot make much money actually. So yeah, losing less is just like important. Wow, look at this one. It's like an impulse entry. If it's like a volume, you know what happened with this kind of impulse entry? If there's like a volume and it break above this kind of candle high, it should be shoot up and fill this range or wick on the left hand side. It should be. Might be just like happening due to the psychological number of 5200. Might be. But it just like drop the volume. Look at this one. It just like did not go in my favor like a sap. It just like moving like a snail. Impulse entry totally connected with the, I would say, with the volume actually. And if there's like a volume, then it should not be wrecked like that. This 30-minute candle just like about to be closed in 20 minutes. Wow, look at the volatility right now. I think so. I just like did a mistake to execute somewhere here. But looking at 30 minute, looking at H1, these is just like giving me good confirmations here. But I have to manage the risk, so close 50%. Close 50% and leaving the rest if I can get back some money there. It's again pushing upside. Okay, that's great. That's great. I'm not gonna add back my position into it actually. You know what? I'm not going to be put back my entry into it. It's not showing that much smoothness, which I just like really wanted to see. You know what? In a second half of a 50 minute, it should create a wick and shoot up. This is what I was expecting from it. If it's not going to be react like that, I can't do anything about it. How old were you when you started trading? It's been like 5 years I'm in this industry. Mr. Cass, what do you think about 100K instant account dominion? It's just like depend on your trading, like the ability you are having with you. If you are a pro trader, then you can go ahead. If you are a beginner or even like a intermediate, then instant funding could be risky for you. Wow, just like standing there, man. Just like standing there. Stop there actually. 7 minutes left. Just seven. So now you know what? If this 50-minute candle come back and break its own low, I'm going to be close everything. Like I'm bringing my stop loss somewhere here. There is no business of this current candle to come down and break its opening price actually. It should continuously pushing upside. This is what I'm expecting from it. Wow, now just like pushing. Look at this one. It's pushing now. With the volume, you know what? With the volume, can I see it to keep pushing somewhere here? Come on, show me some volume in you. This current candle should be close above the resistance area for the continuation. Look at this. 5 minute also close above the previous candle high. 15 still open. Shall we enter our position back into it? No, I don't think so. It doesn't make sense now. It's just like not moving like a smooth, it's not showing like a smooth volume in it. But still, I'm just like holding with my structure. But even my structure was just like not working out, so I just like manage the risk by closing my 50% position there. So now I just like need it to keep pushing upside. So still, if it just like went in my favor, I will try to close my 90% position there at somewhere here. Oh, I remember that. I remember one thing. I remember before few days we just like stuck on a 5200 level. That was considering a very strong level of 5200. Market was just like continuously tapping to that area like 4 to 5 times, like created a resistance there. So after that it just like broke above that resistance area and then just like keep pushing upside in one direction. So still it's just like 5200 like a strong resistance area. It could be like a strong resistance area. So yeah, you know what, there is like 4 minutes left for the candle to be closed, and still we're standing within this range. So as I just like can't see volume in it, I'm gonna close my position actually. I'm going to be close my position. I don't like the way it just like moving, and there's just like 3 minutes left for the candle to be closed, and anything could be happening in this 3 minute. I just like close my trade. I just like lose less. That's the only way that's the only thing I can do actually. I don't like the way it just like moving. Don't like this price action. Even it's just like continuously pushing upside or downside. I'm not interested in it actually anymore. I don't like it because there's like 3 minutes left for the candle to be closed. It just like broke above the previous candle high. Still, it's standing here. So just like lose, how I can lose less? That's the only question I just like need to ask myself. Uh, like is called 1,000 times. Yeah, it become like again like my habit actually. So Deep just like send me the chart here. Let me see. Wow, Deep, very nice. I also took this trade. Very nice. It's just like pushing upside. I'm worried about this 5200. Let me show you something like again like I like myself. So let's go with the flow actually. Doesn't matter how many time I'm just like gonna say like. So look at this one. This was the area I remember the 5200 market was just like coming up, tapping to this area, tapping to this area, tapping to the 5200, and then 5200 just like become like a strong resistance area, then break above this 5200 area and keep pushing upside. Like look at this one. Again, it's just like a psychological number of 5200. So break above the high and close above that resistance. That makes sense. I'm out at some by managing my risk actually. The way it's just like moving like a snail. I can't see volume there, so I just close my position. Look at this one. I just close my position there. कैश भाई चार्ट मूवमेंट वाला एरो नहीं आ रहा, पता नहीं यार, उसको यूट्यूब पे वीडियो देख लो कोई, पता चल जाएगा. So the more see this one, it doesn't make sense to put back entry into it. I even close my position. I can't see volume. I close it. So 30 minutes is like closed, 50-minute closed within the range, just not showing volume in it. I need some structure to be formed actually. I need some structure to be formed. Oh man, I'm just like not feeling good today actually. If this current 30-minute close healthy, then buys would make even more sense. No, on a smaller time frame, this is a resistance we are having, and this is not just like simple resistance area. It's a it's having like a psychological number with it as well. So break close above this resistance area, then I will see if I can give my trade a chance. Look, it is like not showing volume in it. It's not showing volume in it. The previous candle, impulse entry always connected with the volume. As it just like break above the previous small body high, it's mean there's volume. If there's a volume, then current candle should be keep pushing upside to tap to this area. And we just like hold over trade almost how much time we just like hold over trade. Let me see this one. It's a red day for me. Just like lose $18 on this trade. Before I was just like going to be lose $70. So I hold it 13 minutes, like 15 minutes. I hold it 15 minutes, but even within the 15 minutes, it did not move. It's just like did not move by showing strong volume in it. So waiting. I wanted to see this 50-minute candle to be close above this area, then I can give my trade a chance above this 5200. Last day market was just like continuously pushing to the downside. Wow, showing a very strong, very smooth volume in it. But today it's not it's not behaving like that, like the previous one. Need to wait more actually. Just need to wait more. Might be We just like going to be, might be we are going to consolidation in this area. We will do consolidate in in this area. Then after the ADP, if you just like break above the high or break low, then we can give our trade a chance. But still, it's just like a prediction. If a candle going to break and close above this area, I'm gonna give my trade a chance. Even it's an impulse entry, I can see, but we are sitting right on a psychological number. This psychological number I'm worried about, 5200. I wanted to take a buy. I wanted to take a buy here, right on this resistance area by placing stop loss below current candle low. Should I give my trade a chance by depending on the volume now? You know what? Today I'm just like not in a healthy condition. My mental state, my body just like not responding properly. Last day I just like took some medicines. I was just like having a food poisoning. So my mental condition is like not in a perfect state right now. And it's very important to be healthy while you just like sitting on the charts. It's an impulse entry. It is impulse entry. But looking at psychological number of 5200, you know what? Oh, I'm gonna execute on this one. What do you think? Should we wait for the candle to be closed or should I go for the impulse entry? Let's put decision on you guys. Should execute a buy here, place stop loss below the current candle low, or should wait for this candle to be closed and then give our trade a chance? Candle closure, okay. Nana just like saying should wait for the candle closure. Wait for the candle closure. Okay, got another message. Wait already tried impulse, so no wait for close. Okay, wait. Everyone just like saying wait for the closure actually. Let's get in your browser is just like only the person just like hey just like get in. Small risk and let it be for good pips. Hmm, let's go. Two votes are just like let's go and four votes just like against to go as an impulse entry. One account lost 45 pips and second ring. Oh, let me see. Wow, very nice. Still holding the position here. Wow. Execute a buy, manage risk, execute a buy, and manage risk. What is this, buddy? Oh, you just like took a buy here, close some position, then put one more entry into it and holding it. Very nice. Very nice. Dynamic risk. Okay. So YouTube also just like saying wait for the candle close. So control in a devil on yeah. Look at 4 hour bro for confidence to have bias. I can see that 4 hours, but we are standing at a very strong psychological number of 5200. If I'm going to be get this 50-minute candle close above this 5200 level, then with the pure confidence I can give my trade a chance. And I think so we are having enough range on the left hand side to tap actually. Yeah, look at this one. I think so. After that, I'm just like having a enough range here. It's like a two more than 200 pip range on the left hand side, clean traffic, tradable range. Wow. Let me see on a 30-minute clean traffic. Let me see on H1, clean traffic, H4, clean traffic. Wow, really nice. So waiting for this scanner to be closed and then give my trade a chance. I can hold with that trade. Right now, just like come back to my entry or just like a break even something like that. So there's just like 6 to 7 minutes left for this 50-minute candle to be closed. It's just it's going to be fill this wick on the left hand side. It's just like fill the wick. Yes. Wow. I don't want to miss it actually in the last few minutes. Then what would be the SL? Would be below the current candle. If it's just like going to be create a wick, break above the high, might be somewhere here within the range 60 70 pips. If you are getting like a bigger stop loss, lower the lot size. That's the only solution to be a part, or just like wanted to adopt this kind of market structures, like huge volume, lower the lot size. So small risk and let it be for a good pips. No, I will wait for the candle to be closed. Waiting 50 minutes again. Okay. Please avoid impulse today. Just wait a couple minutes for closure. I'm waiting. I'm waiting right now. ARK. If we wait for 50 minutes, we will miss the trade. But looks risky. You are confused, buddy. What are you saying right now? If we wait for 50 minutes, we will miss the trade, but looks risky. You just like write down double answer here. So buy the candle may push before 50-minute close might be too late. Wow, again फ्रास आप देख लें अब आप आ गई ना वापस. At this time we might be get out from the trade, hit with another like stop loss. So better to wait for the candle to be closed because we are standing right on psychological number of 5200. I spoke too soon. Yes, you just like spoke too soon actually. So please avoid. Okay, hi Kaiser. Do Dominion market has MT5? Yeah, this is right now. I am just like using Dominion markets and I'm using MT5. Look at this one. It is having like MT5. So there is like 4 minutes left for the candle to be closed. And if candle going to be close above the resistance area, I'm gonna take a buy. For sells, I wanted to see a candle should break and close below this current support area, and then I'm having like this clean traffic. So for sells, this makes sense, and for buys, above this area makes sense. And within this range, it just like become no trade zone now. It just like become no trade zone, and I'm waiting. Well, I was trying to say it looks risky to impulse. We might miss, but it's okay. Okay, you must be in politics, buddy. You just like must be in politics. So hey guys, don't forget to like the yeah, just like don't forget to like the stream. There's like more than 70 80 people just like watching right now. I'm having just like 16 likes. Very bad. So I think it's better to wait some sort of retracement on M30 time frame. Which kind of retracement you wanted to see here? If we just like going to be simple, just like keep your things simple. The way market's behaving, the way just like showing less volume, that's why I just like close my position. That's why I just like did not execute as impulse entry. Now things are getting more simple. More simple means I need a candle closure above this area to take a buy, because above this area I'm gonna face clean traffic on the left hand side. And in the same way, if I just like wanted to take a sell, I wanted to see candle should be close below this support area. So again, I'm going to be face clean traffic on the left hand side. So these are the simple scenarios I am looking for now. And for that, I just like need to wait. Now I'm feeling that just like word actually. I'm stopping myself to speak it. But it's okay. It will take time, but things getting better day by day. If I remember my first day on a live stream, I remember that I was just like having very less confidence. I was just like getting scared, don't know what to do, how to speak, how to uh, understand the structures, trying to explain the things, but couldn't. But at the end, it's been like now more than 2.5 years or 3 years, I would say. I'm doing this thing and getting better and better. So the reason was I just like didn't stop, and then things just like start turning around me. Kessel use a blue cut glasses during using PC to avoid sight issue. Which sight issue? My eyes issue. Uh, just like gift me or send me one glasses. That will be better, I think so. You care about my side actually. I can see. Just like send me a gift. So waiting right now, just waiting and waiting. I can't see volume there. Might be due to ADP. It's just like not showing volume. It's again become like a strong psychological number of 5200. Look at this one. Market again reject from this area and close within the range. Looking at H4, it should be pushing upside. You know what? If everything, if everything like for a bullish or for a bearish structure, suppose printed in a very beautiful way, and it's showing very higher probability that it will go in your favor, and at the end it didn't go in your favor and start going against to your direction, then that is also like a higher probability. Wait for to give your trade a second chance, and if it's just like not showing any kind of like even a like a structure to you, so you can give your trade second chance, then change your bias, I would say. Change your bias, like what happened last day. I can feel that market will keep pushing downside while I was just like doing streaming somewhere here. I remember that. Yeah, I just like remember that here. Yeah, this one where I just like close my position, manage the risk, and hit my break even. It was like a very beautiful structure printed there. Like H4 close above the H1, sorry, H1 close above the previous candle high. M30 is showing strong volume. Don't have a bottom wick. We are having clean traffic on the left hand side. Next candle create a wick break above the high with the opening of London session. So it should be keep pushing upside, but it just like went 60 70 pips in our favor, come back, and then it just like keep pushing downside. When it's like happen, then I realized that it will high probability continuously pushing to the downside. Look at this one, man. It's just like drop like a hell. Very tough decision that was. Okay, so just like waiting. I'm waiting right now. You know what? If a single candle going to be break and close above this area, very high probability, and I'm gonna increase my risk there. might be gonna increase the risk. If I'm going to be get a single candle closed above this area, I will increase my risk here in this situation. In that way, I think so it will become a very strong probability will continuously pushing upside. Just waiting right now. Does Ramazan affect your trading, sir? You know what? Yes, because schedule just like getting disturbed. Like here in Pakistan, we just like woke up early, like 3 a.m. or 4 a.m. for the sari, and then I just like need to do the stream, need to recover my community, my personal community, MFU as well. Need to do some marketing. Then we for the whole day we just like did not eat or drink anything, so we just like get disturbed a little bit. The sleep cycle actually get got disturbed actually, but it's okay. It's okay. Ramzan actually build patience in ourselves and tell us that how we can like thanks to our Allah that whatever He just like provided us, you can feel that blessing in your life. This is something Ramzan brings with it actually. So yeah, it's a beautiful month actually. Waiting. Can't see volume there. Just like waiting. Just like, just like, just like. I need to make a song on it. Yeah, same here by a bit unplanned routine, but I love it. Yeah. You know what? It's been like 12 hours almost like past for the after keeping the fast right now. My continuously I'm just like speaking with you guys, giving the answer of your questions, so my throat just like get dry right now, but still just like need to do, I have to do, and I love it. So you know what, 9 minutes left for this candle to be closed. Again, break close below this support, sells make sense. Break close above this resistance area, buys make sense. So H4 has clean range, doesn't that signal it will push upward on H4? But lower time frame will give you the confirmation. I can see the H4 just like having a very beautiful structure, and it should be keep pushing upside. If it should keep pushing upside, it should have volume in it. And if it's having volume in it, what it is just like doing right now here. Why it's standing here? It should break above its own high and should continuously pushing upside. So smaller time frame actually gives you the confirmation what could be happen on the higher time frames. Smaller time frame just like doing consolidation, printing candles side by side. So its main trend just like stopped. So whatever happening on the higher time frame, it will be, I will say, helpless for you. It can't do anything about it because we can't have volume in it. For buys, it's a simple thing. If a candle giving you a confirmation like this, it will also going to be support the previous H4 as well. So makes sense to continuously pushing upside. This is something I wanted to see. And in the same way, if a candle going to be close below this area, so again it can continuously pushing downside to fill this range. Now we just like need to wait. Lower time frame will give us the confirmation what could be happen on the higher time frame. Simple. Understood? Okay. Look at this 30 minutes. So it's a wise decision we took here actually. It's a very, very wise decision that manage the risk. If I don't manage my risk, and if I just like don't accept this minor loss, then might be right now I'm in drawdown with a complete stop loss. So now still I'm having like 1 to 2% with 1 to 1.5% with me to take a risk there. If I don't lose less, if I hit with a complete stop loss, then might be I just like end with the day. I can't give my trade any chance there. And now if I'm going to be lose a single trade, I'm gonna end the day actually. Just waiting right now. Look at this H1 just like going to be closed. M30 H1, so waiting. Still waiting. Still waiting. 5 minutes left for the candle to be closed. Just 5 more minutes. Wow. In my private group, I just like got a message. Someone just like share a news that America and Russia started a war. Bro, if Russia and America started the war, you will never see gold standing here. And you can't even see on your screen. It might be break above your screen actually. If they started the war actually. It's a fake news. Definitely it's a fake news. That will be a huge opportunity if they both parties just like started a war, Russia and America. Then there will be only buys. Just click on buys button. आपको इम्पल्स एंट्री सीखने कितना टाइम लगा शुरुआत में? यार, ये स्टेप बाय स्टेप होता है। पहले आप कंफर्मेशन कैंडल के साथ अपने आप को स्टिक करते हो, फिर उसके बाद आप अपने स्ट्रक्चर को सीधे करते हो, फिर आप वॉल्यूम रीड करना सीखते हो, फिर इम्पल्स एंट्रीज को देखना शुरू करते हो। इंट्यूशनल ही आती हैं, लेकिन वक्त के साथ प्रैक्टिस के साथ साथ आता है ये, एक्सपीरियंस के साथ। क्योंकि इम्पल्स एंट्री जो सी होती है ना, वो वॉल्यूम के साथ कनेक्ट होती है। वॉल्यूम होगा तो इम्पल्स एंट्री काम करेगी, वॉल्यूम नहीं होगा तो इम्पल्स एंट्री नहीं काम करेगी। So impulse entry totally connected with the volume. If there's a volume, it's gonna work out. If there's like no volume, it's not gonna work out. So you know what? It's great. What's just like happening right now? It's about to be closed in 2 minutes because one, two, three, four, five, six, seven candle, just six candle, just like continuously close in a bullish form. It will be great if it's going to be closed in a bearish form, and then next candle create a weak and break above the high to continuously pushing upside. So we just like going to be get our resistance here, and then breaking above this candle high makes sense to execute a buy. So I'm just like waiting right now. 1.5 minutes left for candle to be closed. I just like need two scenarios to be like wanted to watch on the charts. Candle should close in a bearish form, and then next candle break above the high, so I can go as an impulse entry. And if this candle not going to be closed in a bearish form, then I need the candle close above this resistance area for the continuation. So it's like it will be good opportunity if we're going to be close with a bearish candle. Maybe with NY Open we get healthy breakout. With NY Open, I think so. Right after NY Open, you just like going to be hit with the ADP news. Then try to avoid before the news. I would say waiter wins. Yeah, just like waiting right now. So 30 minutes just like created a resistance right now, close in a bearish form right after one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th candle. Six candle right after one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candle, we just like got a resistance on a higher time frame as well. So this candle break the low, break the high of the like a previous candle. It's a sign of a volatility. I need a candle to break above this high for the continuation, or I need a candle should have to be closed in a bullish form so I can give my trade a chance. But I will see if it can break above this high. It's just like breaking above these three candles of 15-minute on the left hand side. Now I can go as an impulse entry as well. It's created a resistance now. Just like created a resistance now. Come on, create a wick and break above the high. H1 close with a small body. Again drop the volume. No business of this candle to break above this high. This 15-minute candle just like ate these three 15-minute candles on the left hand side. Let's see if it could close above the resistance or break above this resistance. So waiting. I'm waiting. Come on, create a wick. Create a wick. If you're not gonna create a wick and continuously pushing upside and breaking above this high, I will gonna consider you as a strong bullish momentum because you are not creating a wick. It's mean there's still right now there were just like no sellers are there. Come on, make a wick and then break above the high. It's just like not making wick. Okay, it's pushing upside. I'm definitely gonna go as a like a impulse entry by looking at 30-minute time frame. I'm considering it as it's just like having a very strong bullish momentum in it right now. Not creating a wick, continuously pushing upside, almost like 3 50-minute candles on the left hand side. If it's going to break above this high, I will execute. It's not creating a wick, it's just like not created a bottom wick, continuously pushing upside. Tapping to 5200. Don't wanna miss it actually. Don't give me a spike here. Just take. Oh, okay. I think so. I just like executed a late entry, but it's okay. But it's okay. Come on now. You show me volume. I recognize you. I executed on you. Now just like keep pushing in my favor. I don't want you to come back. Keep pushing. You broke the 5200 level. You just like give me the spike. What actually I just like want to see. You are having clean traffic on the left hand side. Just keep pushing upside now. Come on, don't do this. Do this. Don't do this. I'm gonna give my trader some breathe here actually. I'm gonna take this complete. What is this? 83. Yeah, placing my stop loss within the range actually. There is no business of this current candle to come back into the range. I need it to continuously pushing upside. There is no business of this current candle to come back into the range. It break above this high, should keep pushing upside. I am holding it with my complete stop loss. If I'm out, I'm gonna end with my day. Wow, what a spike. Just like went 50 pips. Don't have a bottom wick, break above the 30-minute candle high, 50-minute candle high, executed a buy, should not come back into the range, showing volume. If now I'm going to be get out with the stop loss, you know what? I will call it a day. It could be like a volatile day. I cannot lose more than this money. Like I can't lose more than 200 or a $150 on this account. I am holding it. Why? Because it's just like showing me some momentum in it. I still believe it's having volume in it. The candle just like don't have a bottom wick. But if it's like having a volume, there is no business of this candle to come back into the range. It should be keep pushing upside. If it just like come back into the range, hit my stop loss, then I'll be out. I want it to continuously pushing upside, clean traffic on the left hand side, tradable range, all things just like align with each other. Look at this 5 minute candle. Come on, volume. Hello, volume. Where are you? You are trying to trap me in it. Come on. Candle just like don't have a bottom, it's showing a strong bullish momentum in it. I have seen it before. It just like happened before market break above this high and then continuously pushing upside. Having clean traffic on the left hand side, tradable range, break above this small body high. There's no business of this candle to come back into the range. If it's just like coming back into the range, it's not a good sign. I'm just like holding it, just like need to believe my structure in this situation. Come on. Ooh, rejecting. Wow, rejecting. Why you are standing here? Are you just like taking my orders, the people orders actually, or you just like getting making people scared to execute like exit from this trade? I'm gonna take the complete SL here, or I will hold you until my TP actually. I'm not gonna get scared from you. If you're gonna take my money, it's okay. I will give it to you. Then I'm gonna close my charts and end the day with the losses actually. We'll call it a day. Wow, this is a clear sign of the volatility. Still holding my position. I believe that it will continuously pushing upside. Sir, what happened to your camera? It's on other side. I don't know what happened to my. Might be I just like click some button. It's just like testing my patience right now. Just like testing my patience right now. Usually, whenever it happens, market just like keep going in my favor sap. It's showing a very strong volume in it. It's showing strong volume in it. There is no business of this candle to come back and hit my stop loss, because if it's just like coming back within the range and hit my stop loss, it will keep pushing to a downside or might be going to create a week and will be can be continuously pushing downside. So that's why just like in this situation I place my stop loss within the range actually. Slowly just like coming back actually. Wow, wow, what a rejection, what a rejection. Again it just like betrayed me. Still holding above the resistance area. 5 minutes just like okay, no. So now it there's a probability it gonna hit my SL. Yeah, it should not be react like that. If there's like a volume, it should not be react like that. Look at this one. Why it's just like come back into the range? No way, no way. It should not be react like that. Did you saw the way just like break above the high, give a spike and then pushing upside, having clean traffic, tradable range, then drop the volume. Wow. Market just like in a mood to like playing with the feelings today. If someone just like not going to be stick with the 1 to 2% or 3% risk of the capital, today could be their bad day. So yes, that could be a bad day. 3 minutes left for this 15-minute candle to be closed. 3 minutes left. Just 3 minutes left. In this 3 minute, it's going to be give some not going to be give something. It's going to be take my SL. It's my plan to take a complete SL here in this situation. I can't manage risk. Actually, I wanted to hold with this trade. Sometime I just like hold with it. It's a Wednesday as well. It's just like showing me strong like momentum. If in this last 2 minutes or 3 minutes, 15 minutes going to be closed in a strong bullish candle above this resistance area, so probability then it will continuously pushing upside. But right now I can't see just like going in my favor. It's standing at a 50-50% condition, fighting with the current resistance area right now. Just 2 minutes left for this candle to be closed. Just 2 minutes. Wow, look at this one. 5200s like again strong psychological number. Come on, you can do this in this last 2 minutes. Just like closed in a bullish form. Just closed in a bullish form. Above the resistance area. Don't come back into the range. Wanted it to continuously pushing upside. Okay. Where is the volume? Just 1 minute left. 1 minute left. This 1 minute will will just like gonna take the decision actually. This last 1 minute candle. 1 minute. Wow, 1 minute pushing upside right now. This is the last 1 minute. Come on, close above the resistance. Come on. Oh, I don't think so. Gonna make out. Few seconds. In a few seconds, just like come back now. Yeah, just like need to close it actually. Just few seconds. Six, five, four, three. Wow, it's just like close in the range. It close in the range. No way to hold with this one. Gonna definitely gonna hit my like stop loss here. 100%. Look at this one. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. Why you just like did not hit my stop loss? Hit my stop loss. Take it. Take it. You are 100% higher probability to take my stop loss here. Yeah, here we go. See this one? Oh, no way. No way. It's not a good day for me. It's a red day for me. Lose 150, $60 here. That's it. I just like done with my 2% actually today. Just done with the 2%. Look at this one. Wow. Just like break above this high. See that how much like it's just like showing strong volume in it. Strong volume in it. Everything just like align with each other. In this situation, H4 break above its own high. H1 break above the small body high. M30 just like break above the previous 30-minute high. Having clean traffic trade. It's the same thing. I think so. Today we're just like gonna again continuously pushing downside. Today again it's something will keep pushing gold to the downside. Stuck on a psychological number, yeah. The way again, I remember the last day was a very high probability setup, didn't work out. So if there's like a volume, then it should be continuously pushing upside. And even with a higher structure, if it is like not working out, if this candle going to be break and close or break below this support area, you know what? Very high probability it will continuously pushing downside. Very high probability. But I just like need to relax, chill, need to wait for this candle to be closed actually. So yeah, it's been like 15 minutes left, 30 minutes left for the iftar time. So I'm just like heading off, just like lose 1.5 to 2% today, just like end with the day. I'm just like end with the day. So yeah, could be it's like a consolidation day, might be just like not gonna give some kind of a direction, might be it will stuck in consolidation. So why to lose more than this thing? I would say just like call it a day and come tomorrow. Tomorrow will bring like new opportunity with it. So I'm just like heading off. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Till that be safe, be careful. Don't try to take a forceful. Wow, I'm eagerly like feeling that it will continuously pushing downside. All right. So we'll wait how this candle going to be close. If you're just like going to be close below this support area, so sales make sense again because it's just like not gonna work out. It's just like having a very strong psychological number here. So we'll see you guys tomorrow 2:30 a.m. Eastern. Till that, be safe, be careful. Don't try to take forcefully trade. Yeah, guess by if my SL get hit under 60 seconds, then that will be also breach of rules. I'm not confirm about it. You just like need to ask the team. I think so. It's a rule. So yes. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care and bye bye.